Alright, yo. So we put on the 16-inch rear wheel for milk racing. Let's get into it. Gonna start by taking off the caliper. There we go. One. There we go. Alright, next we're gonna take off the little chain guard bolts. Alright, so usually just pull this up, you know, just trying to see the master link is this one right here. See how all these other ones look different, and let's look for this. So you're gonna roll the wheel back a little bit. Yeah, right there is good. Here we go. You're gonna need some pliers, use some needle nose pliers. Gonna get the corner and like the top piece right there, and it's gonna give it a little tug. Oh, it's gonna it's definitely really hard with one hand. Somehow I did it. Oh, just like that, guys. Alright, you're gonna take the same needle nose pliers, get off this little, come on. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright. Take that off. Don't forget these little rings. Definitely easy to overlook and lose if you're putting the same chain back on, but same thing applies if you're putting the chain on. Alright, so from here, jeez, this thing is still tight. I didn't get this part on video, but you just pull this, you pull them out, use the pliers. Sometimes they just come out real easily. Come on. Got it, here we go. Alright. Alright, now we gonna bust off the axle nut. So it's a 17 millimeter. Let's see if I can get that there. 17. Bow bow. Put this joint right on.
Don't approach me. You know this ain't nothing new. The cops all Casper slide on fool. Clap, clap, then cha-cha real smooth. If they PR on the news, let me stop. Hop in the booth and eject the top. Fly in the booth, bomb found a pop. Ratchet and righteous, we all we got. Shout out my mama, she never judged me. Even told me I'm cute when I know I'm ugly. Shout the ones who all know only got control me. Smoking nowadays, I always need 3 to hold me. The fire to the sun, the homie smoke, the cool, I found me a bomb that Nova Scotia blue,
Alright, so let's get to unboxing this. Nice little milk racing. Little stuff on y'all. Alright, shout out to Milk Racing because they did throw me some extra goodies because it was a little late, but that's all good. At least I got it. See what's in here. Whoa, they sent some Oreos. Oh, we got a little inner tube. What is this? I have no idea what this is. This feels like a chain, so we're getting that. With the Oreos. Little chain too. And I didn't realize it came with all these little cool little tools. That's pretty cool. Shout out to Milk Racing again. And guys, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. don't think that for a second. But I just want to show you guys how tough this look. The 52 tooth sprocket. Let's see what's good. The little Milk logo. Alright, here we go. About to hit it with the Ugga Dugga machine. Bolts out. Goes right off. What you do with the transfer? Come on. There we go. Alright. Put those joints in my hand, feel me? There we go. Come on. There we go. Same T30 bit. I don't know what I said before. Oh no. My T30 bit just broke off in there. These things are cheap. This is junk. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got to. Alright, to get the whole chain off from that last state, all you gotta do is just pull it from like the jack shaft right up in that little slot up under here. Give it a little force and it'll come right out. But now we're going to put the new 108 link chain onto this thing to let it rip. Alright, so what I did to get the chain back on was grab a little battery, turn the Surron on, and just give the throttle very slight little bits because you see it's going up. Alright. There we go. Okay, so you're going to snag the old collar, or if you have another one, just put it in, but you snag the old collar, just pulls out, pop out. And here. Slide it in, like that. Yep, it's gonna go all the way in. Yep, just like that. Alright, got some lube. Gonna lube it up, lube up the axle bolt. Alright, quick little update because obviously this thing is on and it wasn't before. So what I had to do was obviously slide this axle bolt right through the middle. Make sure these things are facing this way. Also make sure your bracket, there's like a little like space foot for like the, I guess like little spacer in the inside for like the whatever. I'm sorry. Inside of the like the wheel and stuff, like this piece. You know what I mean? Oh, like I can show you guys. Like, come on, focus up. It's those little silver pieces right there, and you can't see this one. This one's covered. But yeah. So what I did was put the master link on and just start pushing it until it finally just grabbed on. And I definitely made sure to like push it forward to see if it was like wobbling or anything like that. It's definitely like a very low chain clearance, so definitely be wary of that. But yeah, I gotta take it for a spin and show you guys what it's like. But let me finish putting this thing back together so I can see if this thing is decent. I'm gonna put some air in the back tire. I think probably got like 2 PSI. So crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everything. Wow.